Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA sold off yesterday in line with many other coins, including Bitcoin and Ether. GALA reacted to our resistance level that we mentioned only, I think, in yesterday's video. 2.05 cents was the ideal target, always is for a wave 4. It's typically an ideal wave 4 target, the 38.2 fib level, always worth watching for. And if the price rallies in 3 waves into this ideal resistance, into this ideal target range, then it's always worth watching for a reversal. Resistance went all the way up to 2.15 cents, so the wave 4 could have gone a little higher, but anything above 2.15 cents would have told us that most likely something more bullish was going on. In the end, the price respected our wave count, respected our assumption that we have a good likelihood for another low on this chart. I think that assumption is still very much valid, especially as price broke below the last swing low now on the chart. This swing low was the end of the triangle, a so-called B-wave triangle, and oftentimes when we see this B-wave taken out, the other way around basically, yeah, so a break below the B-wave low, which happened, it's a good indication here that the next wave has started, in this case, the wave 5. All the comments from previous videos basically remain valid. GALA remains caught in descending price channel. You can call it a corrective price channel here to the downside. We really need a break to the upside of the price channel to indicate that something more bullish, something, more lasting bullish is happening, that a lasting low has been put in place. At the moment, it's too early for that. In fact, price has actually rallied in a corrective fashion, in overlapping price action into resistance and got rejected. So at the moment, expectations are still for another low. That low, minimum expectations, that low would need to happen below 1.78 cents. That's the minimum expectation for price to get below that level, possibly all the way down to 1.52 to 1.55 cents. There are some Fibonacci extension levels that point to that area. It's also the area around the December 22 low. Because overall price retraced too much in this entire move down, it is getting less likely that we are turning around and rally in a third wave. It's just that because, even if I count the move up, if I see that as an impulse in a wave 1, the problem is that in this pullback currently, A, B, C, it retraced too much. We always need to use Fibonacci levels together with the wave count. And if we use the Fib levels and something is off, it's always a warning. So here in this case, the GALA's price retraced too much. So any rally that is going to happen, and there will be one at some point, is only seen as a larger corrective rally, A wave in the blue count, B wave, and they can overshoot to the downside sometimes, and a C wave rally. Especially if we have an overshooting B wave to the downside, the blue wave count would be confirmed, and the bullish wave count, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, with a significant rally in a third wave, will be officially invalidated. It already now is not the primary scenario. The blue wave count is, but the challenge always is to say, how low does the B wave go? So at the moment, I have no setup on the smaller time frame that would support a C wave rally right now. The C wave rally could get into the region between 5.4 and 7.9 cents, just so you have an orientation. We will be able to specify that much further when we see the subdivisions develop. But at the moment, the assumption is we're still caught in this local downtrend, could get one more low. I gave you the ideal support levels, the next ones, and let's see if we get there. There could be, now that we have a fairly clear wave 4 top in place, what we can do as well, we can try to add another target, just a level to watch for that 5th wave down. And okay, well, it's not needed because it points also to 1.5, in this case 1.54 cents. So it's here the 1.618, sorry, the 61.8 extension level, together with the other levels at 1.55 and 1.52 cents. The 1.54 cent level is just overlapping with them. Okay, there is one more before that, just a level to watch, which is the 38.2 extension level at 1.72 cents, but that would be quite a short wave 5. That's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.